Oh yeah, come on, this is Lloyd on the mash. Philippines sa great history, according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, lagi queen from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati. Ang kinapasig sa puting malak na sweetness, Paranaque. Ramdam, Batanes, Sapan, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Monte Provincia, Union Paglusin, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now it's good to the south and Luzon, Camarines, Norte, Quezon, Albaida, Marinas, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, Ari, Ate, Alasmo, Mindoro, Marilong, Quirongdong, Tendong, Visayas, Siorbe, Camis, Sugar, Copilas, Ayon, Ayi, Cebu, Bangkal, Angaw, Ayi, Bohol, Samar, Ayi, Iloilo, Cabos, Angatiki, Palawan, Negros, Pagulon, Sitikon, Dumaguete, Kahoy, to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukit, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahabupan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Misamis, Angle 3 provinces of Davao, Soren, Tadino, Tututan, Patulanao, Sulutaw, Itaw, Ayi, Philippines sa great history, Ayi, Manila is the capital city, Ayi, although there is a mighty to see, according to our geography, Philippines is beautiful country. Yeah, come on, it's a gallery, that makes you fair. Yeah, thank you for listening and watching. Oh yeah, come on.